actually heading for a bachelorette party.
Pizza with my 5, 7, 10 best girlies.
स्ट्रिपर के नाम पे ना मुंह पे लालच आ जाती है.
नंगा नाच.
छोड़ छाड़ के अपने सलीम की गली, अनारकली डिस्को चली.
You wanna cut it, cake, cut it. You wanna and what I do.
Should be that dirty and naughty. मैं तो पक्का वो पोस्ट डालने वाली हूँ, बेशक शादी टूटे या रहे.
Actually, I'm not gonna have a bachelorette, guys, because I'm gonna be single all my life and celebrating bachelorettes forever.
The to-be bride should not be able to tell anybody what exactly happened at the party. It should just, what happened at the party stays at the party kind of a thing. And something that you cannot do after getting married.
I think the purpose is to honor the single life जो तुम्हारी जाने वाली है.
It is the moment जहाँ पे हम पल पल वो होने वाली दुल्हा या दुल्हन को एनालिसिस करवाते हैं कि बेटा तुम्हारी जाने वाली है और हमारी अभी भी हम जिंदा है.
I think it's basically celebrating your singlehood, which I personally have been doing since forever.
Me and a couple of my friends, very close friends, we threw a bachelorette party for my best friend. It was naughty and dirty and very dirty. And all 7 girls, we stripped ourselves. So we danced naked.
मैंने दूसरों के बैचलरेट में काफी अब्दुल्ला बेगाना बन के डांस किया है, प्लान किया है, मजे किए हैं. मैं जैसे चाहती थी वो कभी नहीं हो पाता बिकॉज वो हमारी दुल्हनिया को नहीं चाहिए था. So I had to be very sophisticated, just a staycation at the party at the Dear Jonah and you're done.
Mostly bachelorette में like female friends होते हैं, स्कूल के दोस्त, cousins. थोड़ा female like girl gang ज़्यादा होता है. But I think now things have changed a bit for me. और मेल फ्रेंड्स ज्यादा हो गए हैं तो मैं मिस आउट नहीं करना चाहूंगी. लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू हैव दैट फोमो. तो या आई थिंक लाइक इट विल बी फन. सब हो, कोई मिस ना हो. एंड मे बी क्या पता लाइक हमारी शादी की वजह से दूसरों की शादियां भी सेट हो जाए.
I've never celebrated a bachelorette as in particular, but I feel like every weekend with my girls is like a bachelorette. It's like a mini bachelorette.
फॉलो के बैचलरेट पार्टी में ABCD में सबसे पहला आता है स्ट्रिपर्स, नो डाउट.
My bachelorette party has to be something like I should not be able to tell it to anyone. Like, no one. It should be that dirty and naughty.
Now I'm excited, yaar. ढूंढ दो यार. I think definitely it will be incomplete without dance, music and सस्ते नशे as I call it. और अभी बोलते हुए भी आजकल नशा वर्ड ही डर लगता है.
My bachelorette party is going to be in Ibiza with my 5, 7, 10 best girlies, and I'm going to be sipping on a beach, sipping on some nice cocktails and just going crazy, getting drunk.
ये जो वर्ड है ना, वर्ड इसमें बहुत गहराइयाँ है. The word comes with a lot of controversy, I feel. So you can't help it. Even if you call it कि तुम्हें लगता है कि यार मैंने सिर्फ केक काटा है, बट वो पॉइंट केक पे नहीं होता, वो उनके पे होता है. So that is the concept because the society हमारी head है. We can't help it.
I think India is still not open to such ideas and हम रहेंगे वो भारतीय नारी जहाँ पे हमें एक्सपेक्ट किया जाएगा that we stay in a घूंघट, not exactly a घूंघट, but yes, we have to stay in our limits, and like cutting is like too much for them. So I think we have to come to terms with that our society, probably our generation, they will be okay with this and later on, but हम अपने parents को I don't think so कभी भी समझा सकते that you have to be okay with this.
We should try to normalize these things and just have fun. But yeah, I think when it comes to social media, because आजकल relatives, family members, everybody is there, so वो एक झिझक होती है. And I think like no matter हम बिल्कुल भी care नहीं करें, like maybe if even I have that I don't care type of attitude or personality, फिर भी like I think everybody will think for a second कि oh maybe I have a relative on this social media or on Instagram, Facebook. So वो I think आ ही जाता है जितना भी तुम दबंग हो या don't care वाला तुम्हारा attitude है. So I think this is a problem.
Hating somebody for cutting a cake that looks a certain way or is a particular body organ, I think it's so stupid if you're hating somebody for that, because it literally doesn't affect you in any way. Let them be.
मैं बहुत बेशर्म हूँ. मुझे लगता है I like to challenge the thought process of the Facebook communal post मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है उसको चैलेंज करना, मजा आता है मुझे. So
Okay.
if it becomes a bachelorette party for me, मैं तो पक्का वो पोस्ट डालने वाली हूँ, बेशक शादी टूटे या रहे. अगर मैं अपने फैमिली की तरफ से रिएक्शन देखूं, they would be like, yo bro, और क्या किया ये बता. That's gonna be my family.
I will definitely be recording a few of the moments, but I would rather keep it in my mind because they will be something I cannot express or tell anybody outside. और Facebook पे तो शायद मैं भूल ही जाऊं because India, as we know, they're still not open to the idea of bachelorette and dirtiness and being naughty. They're not very open about it. So I would rather keep it to myself as my memory, and I will not really upload it on Facebook.
So I think वो झिझक आएगी थोड़ी because as I mentioned, you know, like maybe I'll think about relatives and this and that and trolling maybe, but I guess with time ये झिझक जाती जा रही है काफी चीजों में. You know, whether it's about posting like, you know, bikini.
What's the point of having a bachelorette if everything has to be out in the open? I'm the psychedelic black sheep of the family. So nothing surprises them, nothing phases them. They know she's wild, okay, fine, she's safe, she's doing whatever she's doing, she's in control compared to like a lot of people. So they are like fine. So I don't think they're going to be surprised.
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. ये चलता रहेगा. The day we free our mind and we just walk it in the public and say हाँ हमने किया है, we own it and we are not apologetic. I think सब बम फाड़ है. बम फाड़ चलेगा, लोगों की मार दो.
So whatever you do in your life, if you do good, you do bad, कुर्ता पहनो, पजामा पहनो, जीन्स पहनो, शॉर्ट्स पहनो, चड्डी पहनो, कुछ भी पहनो, लोगों का काम है ना, they will keep saying it and they will always say it whatever you do. So just don't give two shits about what people say and do whatever your heart wants.
Whatever you do, they're still gonna talk. You wear a particular, I wear my sweater like this, they're gonna talk. I wear my sweater like this, they're gonna talk. I feel like people are gonna talk. Whatever you do, whatever you wear, whoever you hang out with, wherever you go, you drink, you don't drink, they are gonna talk. And the more you give shits about that, it's just gonna like over like your own mental health or whatever, your own system.
मम्मी डैडी की हर बात मानी है मैंने, टीचर्स की हर बात मानी है मैंने. अरे मतलब दुनिया में किसी का भी नाम ले लो, सबकी बात मानी है मैंने यार. बट अब नहीं, छोड़ छाड़ के अपने सलीम की गली, अनारकली डिस्को चली रे चली. कहाँ चली?
Disco.